The expression 4x squared plus bx minus 45, where b is a constant, can be rewritten as hx plus k times x plus j, where h, k, and j are integer constants. Which of the following must be an integer? Okay, so we're given that this quadratic here can be rewritten as hx plus k times x plus j. So let's expand out this factored quadratic. So we'll have hx squared plus hx or hjx plus kx plus kj. And this is supposed to be equal to this quadratic. So we see we have the x squared term, like the 4x squared. Then we have these two terms that are both be multiplied with x that form the bx term. And then kj is some constant, since k and j are integer constants, which must be equal to negative 45. So kj must be equal to negative 45. So that means that the quantity j equals negative 45 over k. So j must equal negative 45 over k. But we were given that j is an integer constant. So this j here is an integer, which means the right-hand side must also be an integer. And since negative 45 over k is an integer, since j has to be an integer, then that means that 45 over k must also be an integer, since the negative version of an integer is also just an integer. So answer choice D, 45 over k, must be an integer.